Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's the number 59. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you enjoy unboxing this collection with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coast Extraordinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course guys in the Victorian style, and down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 59. If you would like to see the previous 58, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And here guys, we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool. And this is from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing those guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about the Scartland's house, or the Scartland's dollhouse. It looks really nice. And well, let's continue on. Here we can see the front of the house. And here it points out, point for point, the different parts of the dollhouse. And well, let's continue on. Here we can see the kitchen. And here guys, it walks you through how to connect the new wooden piece that we got to the dollhouse. And it also teaches you how to make a shoebox for your dollhouse. It walks you through all of the materials that you'll need. And here it shows you step by step of how to do it. And here it shows you for the shoebox. And guys, don't worry, once I complete this collection, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. And guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about Sarah Bernhardt, who was a French actress. Very cool. There you have a picture of her from 1914. Very cool. And here it talks about Alphonse Mucha, who was an illustrator and painter during the Victorian age. Very cool. And well, let's continue on. And well guys, that's the end of that. You just have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, as I said before, this is from Salvat. And well, let's flip it back to the front. And well guys, now it's time to check out our new additions to the dollhouse. Okay guys, so here is our big wooden piece. It looks really cool. It's just the same as the other ones. Let me flip to the other side. Very large. It's the same size as the table, kinda. Well, it goes a bit more off the side. And okay guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new doily that we got. So let's go ahead and let's check that out now. Okay guys, so a little thing. This was very stuck to the back of the number 59, stuck to the magazine. And when I went to film the magazine, this fell off of it. So yeah, they should have like had it more in the front so it was easier to see. But well, that's just my opinion. But well, let's go ahead and let's open this up. Wow, I really like it. What do you guys think? It's very pretty. I think it'll be perfect for what I see is the big table that'll be in the kitchen. I remember, right? It's very lovely. Tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. I really like it. I think it's nice. But I want to hear from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And of course, make sure to hit the bell that's right next to it so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, you'll also find the links to all of my social media, my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all of that down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.